നമുക്ക് application of TDS equation. TDS equation നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് TDS equation നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു. Then application of TDS equation. First, variation of intrinsic energy. Consider U as a function of T and V. U is a function of T and V. We have complete differential du equal to dou u by dou t v dt plus dou u by dou v t dv. This is the complete differential. Complete differential. Then and we already know that du equal to tds minus pdv from the Gibbs equation, and tds equal to first TDS equation cv dt plus t into dou p by dou dv dv. This is the first TDS equation. Now we substitute this TDS in this equation. TDS equation here. We substitute here. So du equal to cv dt plus t into dou p by dou tv minus p. This minus p, then dv. This dv. Okay, that is the dv. Then comparing this equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we can write dou u by v dou v t equal to t into this one, t into dou p by dou tv minus p. Then dou u by dou t equal to c t into dou c by dou t v equal to cv. Then comparing this, we can write dou u by dou t is cv. This equation 3 is called the energy equation. Using this equation variation in the internal energy of system, whose equation of state is known be calculated. Okay, and for example, the equation of state of perfect gas is equal to PV equal to RT. Then dou P, differentiate this equation with respect to T. So we can write by fixing volume as constant. So this, when you differentiate this equation, by dou T to constant B, R by V. Then substituting this equation, this fourth equation in 3. Substitute this equation in 3. Substitute this equation here. We will get dou u by dou v t t dot r by v minus p. Then we can equate with 0, and we from that relation we can also write as RT by v equal to p. Then we can write dou u by dou v RT equal to 0. Dou u by dou v equal to 0. Thus we can conclude that the internal energy of a perfect gas is independent of pressure and volume. And for a van der Waals gas, we know that pressure equal to RT by V minus P minus A by V square. And by rearranging this statement, we can write RT by V minus P equal to A by V square. Then differentiate this statement with respect to T at constant volume. You can write dou P by dou T V equal to R by V minus B minus A. V are constant, so it becomes 0. So you get this statement. And 5. Substitute this 5 into 3 three equation ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. Okay. Substitute that 5 here in this third equation. The third equation we will get dou u by dou vt equal to rt by v minus b minus p. Then that is equal to from here. From this statement, we can write a by b square and put this as equation number 6. Then this quantity a by b square stand for internal pressure Pi due to the internuclear forces. Therefore, we can write Pi equal to a by b square. Okay. Then second application is Joule Kelvin coefficient. When a gas is allowed to expand through a fine pore or orifice, a cooling or heating effect is produced. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഗ്യാസിനെ ഒരു ഫൈൻ ഹോളിലൂടെ കടത്തി വിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ get cooling or heating effect. This is called Joule-Thomson effect or Joule-Kelvin effect. In this porous plug experiment, ആ experiment അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത് porous plug experiment. In the porous plug experiment, a gas is made to undergo a continuous throttling process by means of a pump. A constant pressure is maintained on one side of a porous plug. porous gas orifice കടത്തി വിടുന്നു. One side it become hot, other side become cold. Okay. The pressure on the other side of the plug is then set at any value less than pressure at the high pressure side and temperature of the gas is measured. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു സൈഡ് പ്രഷർ നമ്മൾ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ അതിനേക്കാളും കുറഞ്ഞ പ്രഷർ ആയിരിക്കും മറ്റേ സൈഡ് ഉണ്ടാവുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സൈഡ് പ്രഷർ വേരിയേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതും ചുരുക്കം. This is by a number of different values of pressure at the low pressure side and the corresponding temperature of the gas are measured. Thus, a set of discrete points is obtained in the temperature pressure diagram. ഒരു ടി പി സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് നമ്മൾ ഒരു പ്ലോട്ട് ചെയ്യും, അതിന് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ പ്രഷറിലുള്ള ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ നമ്മൾ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ. Represent the isenthalpic states of a gas. The points plotted represents equilibrium states of some constant mass of the gas at which the gas has some enthalpy. All equilibrium state of the gas corresponding to this enthalpy must lie on the same curve, and curve is obtained by drawing a smooth curve through discrete points. Such a curve is called isenthalpy curve. And an isenthalpy curve is locus of all points representing equilibrium state of the same enthalpy. The porous plug experiment is performed to provide a few of these points. Then the numerical value of the slope of the isenthalpy curve on a TP diagram at any point is called Joule-Kelvin coefficient mu, and that is represented by mu equal to dou T by dou P at constant enthalpy. Since mu is connected with TPH, we have a relation dH equal to TdS plus VdP and put this equation as number 1. And dH is the difference in molar enthalpy between two neighboring equilibrium states. From the second TdS equation, second TdS equation area, TdS equal to Cp dt minus T dou V by dou T at constant pressure into dP. Equation number 2. Then substitute this equation number 2 in equation number 1. Then we will get dq equal to Cp dt minus T into dou V by dou Tp minus V into dP. By rearranging this equation, we will get dou T by dou Ph equal to 1 by Cp into T into dou V by dou Tp minus V നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ മ്യൂവിനെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം equal to 1 by Cp T into dou V by dou Tp minus V, since mu equal to dou T by dou Ph. This is the thermodynamic relation for the Jk coefficient.